Wiskus, Peach, Chapman, and Gooley will forever live in your memory after their all-out aerobatic performance. Today, you'll be spellbound as vintage military aircraft take to the sky. You'll witness history, and you'll feel in your chest the rumble of their mighty engines. Plus, today you'll be treated to flybys and demonstrations from our modern military. And finally, you'll witness the world's finest jet teams. The RAF Red Arrows are here. Plus, your United States Navy Blue Angels. But right now, let's turn our eyes to the sky, open our hearts and minds, and get ready, because the New York International Air Show starts right now. We will now play the British National Anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, turn your attention skyward. Soon the cadets will be exiting. We appreciate that. Want to thank our friends from the Royal Air Force for being here today. How about a round of applause for those Red Arrows down there? They're getting ready to fly today. Their engineers have been out here. Wiskus from Lucas Oil, orbiting. He'll be back for a quick teaser right after this. You can just imagine what that cadet is thinking right now. Possibly some friends and family here on the ground. We're glad that you are here. And the flag is out. We're just moments away now from our nation's national anthem this morning. Behind the scenes, the air boss will coordinate. He gets a bonus paycheck if the flag lands when the anthem stops. So we will see how this works out. Celebrity Air Boss George Klein talking now to Staff Sergeant Catherine Walsh, reminding her it's an even split. Here we go.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets fell where the bombs burst in the air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Great job there by Staff Sergeant Catherine Walsh. Wonderful job. We are now moving to Joshua Stewart. Reverend Joshua Stewart will now take the microphone here for our invocation this morning. Big thanks to the West Point Cadets there, the parachute team. Here is our invocation.
Nell? Cadet Sophie Endell?
That's her.
I'll turn the mic over to you.
Free fall accuracy performed by your West Point parachute team, the Black Knights. We are 1 minute from exit and the Lakota is on jump run. The jump master is in communication with the jumpers through a series of hand and arm signals known as jump commands. The aircraft in today's demonstration is flown by pilots from the 2nd Aviation Detachment stationed here at Stewart Airport. The team would like to thank our incredibly talented pilots for their dedication and support shown to the parachute team. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 good canopies in the air. The team is piloting sport accuracy canopies. They control their flight onto the field with 2 steering toggles. The jumpers can pull either toggle in their desired direction to maneuver their canopy in the sky. The jumpers work together to create horizontal and vertical separation, making a formation known as the stack. Train and inspire cadets to develop leadership skills and build self-confidence in an extremist context. The team has developed immensely over the years to allow the jumpers you see in the sky now to maneuver their way onto the field with incredible precision. At 1,000 feet, the jumper does what is called a penetration check, checking their distance and speed across the ground. The jumper starts their pattern with the downwind leg, followed by a base leg, and finishes their pattern by turning 90 degrees into the wind for their final approach. The first jumper has completed their pattern and is now on their final approach. Today is Cadet Cam Johnson from Richmond, Virginia. Let's get loud and welcome Cadet Johnson as he completes jump number 570. Is a member of the class of 2020, and today he is completing jump number 418. Please put your hands together for Cadet Karapi. Beautiful landing by Cadet Karapi. Cadet Newstrom is from Seattle, Washington, and today he is completing jump number 378. He is also a member of the class of 2020. Please put your hands together for Cadet Henry Newstrom. Another great landing. Finishing the stack today for your Black Knights is Cadet Matthew Black from Sutherland, Oregon. Cadet Black is a member of the class of 2021. Today he is completing jump number 204. Let's get loud and welcome in Cadet Matthew Black. Beautiful landing. team, thank you for your support. Blue skies and go Army, be Navy.
Cadet Sophie Endell, thank you. Did a great job. Now, Brian Lilly, our air show director, is here with some special guests.